Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to allow the flash taskbar icon for notifications on the Telegram app on your PC. This feature is part of the new update, and it's a quick way to make sure you never miss a message, even when Telegram is running in the background. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three small horizontal lines, which open up the main menu. Go ahead and click on those lines. From this menu, choose Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can adjust all of Telegram's behavior to fit the way you prefer. Inside Settings, find and click on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls how Telegram alerts you when messages or calls come in. Now, scroll through the list until you find the option called Flash the Taskbar icon. This setting lets your Telegram icon flash on the taskbar whenever you receive a notification. It's especially useful if you often have multiple windows open or keep Telegram minimized, because the flashing icon will quickly catch your attention. Simply toggle this option on. You may notice the switch lighting up or sliding to the right, depending on your system theme. Once it's enabled, you can return to your main screen, and that